Locate and remove the 2 brackets from the back of the unit. Locate and remove the 4 screws on the back of the unit. Remove the bracket from the unit. Repeat this process on the other side. Carefully pull the top panel towards you. Once you feel it stop moving, lift up the top panel to remove it. Wear gloves while removing and installing the top panel. On the front of the unit, open the oven door. Locate and remove the 3 screws from under the front panel. Locate and remove all 5 knobs from the front panel. Locate and remove the 5 screws from the top of the front panel. Remove the front panel by lifting it up from the bottom. Wear gloves while handling the front panel. Once the front panel is removed, unplug the control panel. Locate and remove the 4 screws from the control panel. Wear gloves when handling the control panel. Use a screwdriver to push down on these 4 tabs to release the control panel. Carefully lift up the control panel. Be careful to not break the ribbon cable connecting the board to the display. Use a small screwdriver to push down on these 2 tabs to release the display from the front panel. Use the small screwdriver to release the display. Carefully remove the control panel and replace it with the new one. Locate the 4 tabs to secure the display. When installing the control panel, make sure it's in the same orientation as when you removed it. Also, when you set the control panel in, slide it back and forth so all the buttons are set in their holes. Secure the control panel with the 4 screws from earlier. Push on the edge of the board to lift up the tabs so they pop out and lock the control panel in place. Plug in the control panel to the unit. Make sure that the 2 white tabs are facing out so you can see them. Slide the front panel into the unit. Wear gloves when handling the front panel. Push the front panel into the unit, and double-check that it's secure. Use a screwdriver to secure the 5 screws to the top of the front panel. Secure all 5 knobs to the unit. Use a screwdriver to secure the 3 screws to the front panel. Close the oven door. Place the top panel onto the unit. When attaching the new top panel, line up the 4 tabs with the 4 slots on the unit. Place the top panel on the unit. Once all the tabs are lined up, push the top panel towards the back of the unit to lock it in. Slide the brackets back into the unit and secure them with the 4 screws from earlier. Repeat this process on the other side.